Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. This is a battery-powered security camera, and I really like them because there's no wires required. Basically just a very simple mounting bracket, and then maybe every month or two I have to take them down to recharge the battery, which I do with a USB cable. But they're inexpensive, less than $100. I usually buy them in pairs. They store the data locally, or you have the option of uploading them to a cloud, and also they integrate with Apple Homekit. I'm going to have some links in the show notes which explain how to get this particular model, but I'm also going to show you another model by the same manufacturer and basically how I screw it back into the wall once the battery is recharged. So this is another Eufy model, and I basically use this to watch the back entrance to our house. It has a very simple bracket which kind of screws in, and then I have it set up under this window. It's very hard to notice because the color is the same color as the trim there, but once I just screw that in, I can reconnect it, and basically it'll be good to go for another month or two, and it will send me alerts every time someone comes up that path, which is why I got the camera.